she'll make a catch for us. She heard you.
Oh, is that for me?
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, let's give a big hand for trainer Sarah Carson and Hero. Nice job, guys. All right, one more time, I'm going to ask all of you out there, what kind of fun are you having? You guys are still with it. We're having doggone fun. This next part of our show is going to be hopping because it is time for our high jump challenge and showdown. We're going to see just how high one of our stunt dogs can jump today. Now, out of curiosity, who out there has ever heard of the sport of dog agility? Anybody? Oh wow, I see a lot of hands out there. It's one of the fastest growing dog sports in the entire world. Actually started in Great Britain, didn't come to the United States until 1977. It is a fun sport that you can get your dog involved in if they're athletic and have a good healthy check at 24 inches. That's this height here. Our dog's going to start a little higher than that as a warm-up jump. In fact, we're going to start him off at 36 inches, a whole foot higher. So, would you like to meet him? All right, now, I gotta be honest with you guys. This is only his second time in front of a live audience doing this. He is our rookie high jumper. We're giving our big veteran a break. He'll be jumping tonight to set a record at 8 o'clock. So if you're around, come back and see High Flying Harley. But you're gonna get a chance to meet one of our new stars for high jumping. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is Big Air Coda. What's up, Coda? Now we're gonna see if we can get Coda with that warm-up jump. Coda, are you ready? He looks ready. Here we go.
All right, everyone, here he goes. Golden Doodle turned 2 years old recently. Now what do you say we take this bar a little higher? All right, let's do it. We're going to bring it up to 44 inches. He's going to need your encouragement, so cheer him on, because here he goes. Nice job. Making it good. Look good out here. Now, did I hear somebody out there say higher? All right, let's go higher. We just brought that bar up to 48 inches. You're going to have to cheer twice as loud if you want Coda to make it. Nice job. 48 inches. Now, should we stop right there or should we go? All right, we're going to take it higher up to 52 inches. So this is probably taller than most of you kids out there in the audience. We're going to see if Coda can do it for us here today. You know what to do? He got the top bar down. Now in the sport, they're typically allowed 3 knockdowns before they're disqualified. This is only Coda's first. Should we give him another shot? All right, here we go. Make some noise. Nice job, 52 inches. Again, only Coda's second time high jumping in front of a live audience. Now, would you like to see Coda break a record this show today? 54 inches. Now if Koda makes it over this jump, he's gonna break a record today. So make some noise, everybody. He's ready. 54 inches, our big boy. Let's hear it for Big Koda.
Nice job jumping Koda today. You guys did great cheering him on. Thank you so much for your support today. Once again, we hope you're having doggone fun. We're having fun out here. You can tell these dogs are too. And that's what we want to encourage you guys to do. Spend more time with your dogs. There's so many great things you can get them involved in, from flying disc to high. Come on over there. There's entrance right there. I need two more. Two more. Who wants to help me? Somebody right here in the pink hat. Make your way to that entrance right over here. And one more brave volunteer. Who's it going to be? I'm looking at one screaming. Shouting. Somebody over here. Who's the loudest? My goodness, I got a brag. I can take a brag. Some fellow right here. Make way right over that entrance, right in the corner, okay? Right over on this side. Excellent. Let's find out who our lucky volunteers are, shall we? Yeah, let's start with you. What's your name? Nice to have you, Chase. How old are you?
7.
And where are you from, Chase? From California. That's smart, buddy. You gotta be discreet these days. You never know who's out there watching you. Excellent. Let's give Chase a big warm welcome for coming out. Good to have you, Chase. Right here in the middle. What's your name, darling? And how old are you, Autumn? And where are you from? You're from California as well. Awesome. High five. Let's get. What's your name? And how old are you, Steven? And where are you from? You're from California too, I figured. All right. Now, are you having a good time at the fair?
Yeah.
What's the best thing you've seen or done at the fair so far? It could be anything. The stunt dogs? I'll take that answer. Give a hand. You heard it right here. The stunt dogs. High five, buddy. Appreciate you saying that. All right, now check it out. We're gonna get our star out here. She is gonna perform with you kids today. Are you excited? I can tell. All right, now do me a favor though. This stunt dog is used to doing this stunt with other dogs, so I don't know if you're gonna fool her standing on your hind legs. So do me a favor, guys. I need you to get down on all 4 of your paws on your hands and knees. There you go. That's pretty good. Now they're looking a little more like a stunt dog, right? Do me a favor though, kids. Really convince everyone you can fool this star. I need you 3 to pretend you have a tail and wag your tail as fast as you can. Pretty good. Give them a hand, everybody. They're doing fantastic. This is gonna work out great. All right, now let me explain what's gonna happen. Have you kids ever heard of Evel Knievel? You haven't? Anybody out there ever heard of Evel Knievel? Yeah, I'm a big fan. So today we're gonna do an Evel Knievel style stunt. This is how it's gonna work. All right. I'm gonna actually line up right over here. My stunt dog's gonna line up right back here. She's gonna run right towards you kids as fast as she can, okay? Real fast, so it's important you guys stay down real low, okay? Stay on the knees. All right, there you go. And she's gonna not just do this, she's gonna not just run fast, but she's gonna try to launch off my back into the air and attempt to catch one of these Aerobee Super Discs right over the top of my 3 brave new stunt dogs. Now they're clapping for it. Hey, do me a favor, kids, though. Squeeze in as close as you can to each other. There you go, boys. You'll thank me later for that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's get our big star back out here. None other than our daredevil stunt dog, Flashy Ferrari. Hey, good to have you back out here, Ferrari. Yeah, she's gonna try to pull off this stunt today. Yeah, oh, we got that one. That's okay. Hey, come over here, Ferrari. We should probably stretch you out like any good athlete. It's important you stretch before you do anything too big. A lot of you can agree with me on that. So let me just come here. Let me stretch you out real quick. Let's just stretch her out. Stretch. All right, that's pretty good stretching right there. All right, I should probably show you how focused she is because I know some of you might be nervous about this stunt. So, Ferrari, can you do me a favor? Can you show them how focused you're going to be for the big stunt today? That's pretty good. Watch her closely. That's what you call focus, ladies and gentlemen. Also makes a great end table during football season. No, just kidding. All right, hey, check this out. A little juggling. Who says dogs can't juggle? Warm her up, warm her up. Looking good. Excellent. All right, I think she's ready. Are you guys ready? You kids are doing awesome. Just stay down as low as you can, and good luck to you on the end, bud. All right, good luck to you. All right, here we go. We're gonna get Ferrari lined up in position. Ferrari right over here. We need lots of runway. You sit right there. All right, we'll do it on the count of 3. All right, here it goes. Stay down real low, guys. If you survive, you will get something special for helping out, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 2.5. What are you doing? Back up. Back. And 3. And she's got the catch. Ladies and gentlemen, again, Flashy Ferrari pulling off the daredevil stunt. Our brave volunteers out here. Awesome job. Hey, kids, go ahead and stand up for me today. And do me a favor, take a nice bow for the audience. Give these kids a big hand out here. Awesome job. Hey, you know what? You guys aren't going away empty-handed. In fact, you're going to get something cool today. In fact, you're going to get one of our all-star stunt dog keychains. Check this out. When you turn around, you squeeze it back in. Let's just say it's a reminder to always pick up after your dog. There you go. Thank you guys so much. You can go back and enjoy the rest of the show right there. Hey, let's give them another big hand. These kids did fantastic today. You know, I just remembered I was supposed to pick 4 kids. I totally forgot. You guys happen to be our team, so I'm going to introduce you to yourselves. All right, that's how it's going to work. I'm going to split you in half right down the middle. All right, led by this gentleman in here with the beautiful blue hat right there. That is a nice looking hat. Sir, you're going to be the team leader. From here, all the way across over on this side, you're going to be our blue team. You guys be cheering on the dog wearing the blue bandana. So blue team, how loud can you be? All right, excellent, good leading. All right, and you folks from here all the way across over on this side, led by that gentleman right there with the Angels hat right there. All right, you guys going to be our red team, all right? You guys be cheering on the dog wearing the red bandana. So red team, would you like your dog to win? Awesome. Let's get those racers on the field. Our first racer is a rookie racer here in our show with star trainer Ellie Stivers. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome out Wizard. Yeah. Wizard is a good-looking girl, and she's going to be racing today fast with Ellie. All right, Ellie's going to get her wound up.
All right, Wizard's gonna get all warmed up here and ready for this race. Looking good out here. Now we are gonna need you to cheer him on as he races, and I'd like you to get him started with a countdown of ready, set, go. All right, making his way to the weed pole. And we are timing this race. The timer is right in front of that red tunnel right over there. All right, let's get him ready. And there he goes, swinging through the pole and through the hoop. He's going for the ball. He's got the ball. Back through the tunnel. Can he make the catch? Oh, almost had it, but let's hear it for Wizard. Ellie is a little husky cattle dog mix. She is a talented little girl. We're gonna get her in position for the race. Are you ready? Blue team, do you think she can beat the time? 15.98? All right, let's find out. Let's get it started with the countdown. Ready, set, go! And there she goes, weaving through the pole. Keep those cheers going. She's got it. Back through the tunnel. Looking good. Can she make the catch? Spitfire Spinelli with a flawless race at a time of 13.47. She takes the win for the blue team. Spinelli taking the win in the triathlon race today. Bob, but first I'd like to take just a brief moment to share our mission with you and why we love performing out here with our dogs. I don't know if you know, right? But let's give her a warm welcome. Coming back out with Chris. This here is our little terrier cattle dog mix, Crazy Confetti.
Thank you, everybody. This is Crazy Confetti. She is a little crazy, I'll be honest with you. I got to get her wound up before she does anything too big, all right? So let me just wind her up here for you. All right? She thinks she's the fastest dog on the team. I'm going to let you guys decide on that. Whoa! She's a reminder, though, that even the little dogs can do this, too. Doesn't matter the age, breed, or size. Yeah. Hey, get through and show them you can do some cool tricks, too. How about that figure 8? She's pretty fast at it. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, they saw it already. You can stop anytime now. All right, let's get up and over. Over, go, go. Yeah, show them your hops. How about some hoops? Crazy Confetti, everybody. Pretty good. All right, check this out. She's been working on a backflip. Would you guys like to try it today? Let's see what she can do. Here we go. Up and over. Okay, she blinked. One more. Ladies and gentlemen, little Confetti. Whoa. Hey. Oh, boy. Sir, you didn't bring a pair of pliers, did you? In the truck, right? It's in the truck. It's all right. Hey, this is her favorite trick right here. She loves this one. Yeah, two-handed. Check this out, though. One-handed. No hands. No, I wouldn't do that. Come on, guys. Hey, come up here. Our little star, doing so good today. Can I have it back? Can you let go? That's pretty good. Watch it, watch it. Oh yeah, nice save. Now, Crazy Confetti can do some pretty cool tricks. In fact, she just had a feature on Nat Geo Wild's World's Greatest Dogs. She performed in the Rose Parade and even was on the Queen Latifah show with me. Ladies and gentlemen, she's gonna attempt a jump rope for us today. Would you guys like to see her jump rope? Alright, I'm gonna need your help though. We're gonna count it out. Let's see how many jumps we can get her in today. Confetti, come here. Let's see how many we can get in. Here we go. You ready? Here's 1, 2, roll out, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. She got them all. That's a girl. Thank you, Suhei. That's my lovely wife, Suhei, by the way. Let's give Suhei a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. I also got to give a big hand backstage to Sarah Carson, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, make some noise for Sarah. The talented dog, Hero. We're going to bring Hero out after the show. I think we're going to bring him up to the table. I'll bring Hero out for you guys to say hi to, possibly. And we're going to be hanging out right at that meet and greet table, guys. Confetti's got one final trick to show you. I'm very excited to show you this final one. She's the third dog I've trained to do this one. But I got to tell you real quick that she's a lucky dog to be with me because she was actually brought into a shelter in Woodland, California. And 3 different times she was adopted by 3 separate families. Each time returned in less than a week. So she had a rough start, almost didn't make it out. I found her, and basically she's turned into the biggest star. And I'm so glad I've got a chance to adopt her. She just needed some love, needed some attention, needed someone to spend some time with her. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our famous stunt dog paw stand, Confetti's final move of the show. And she's got it mastered with a twist. Yeah, there's the twist. Thank you guys so much for coming out. We hope you had some doggone fun. Also, make some noise for Allie